Come test drive the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.